The privacy, setting, and views here are priceless.
When you approach the property, you have a long winding driveway and you crest up a little hill, and all of a sudden the house and the barn and all the pastures crop up in front of you.
Great Escape Ranch, 36 secluded acres just minutes from Basalt and Willits, with instant access to Crown Mountain and BLM land.
You saddle up your horses, you go into the open space, you have thousands of acres to ride right out the back door. To replicate this property in this location would easily cost 3 times what we have it listed for.
The ranch house is stunning. More than 12,000 square feet with wraparound patios and plenty of room for large families and gatherings.
What's incredible about the first floor, which I really love, is you've got a media room, a wine room, and an indoor pool. But there's a private wing of 5 bedrooms, all ensuite. Every bedroom has a door opening up to a patio. There's a lock-off where you can have a totally equipped kitchen, 2 bedrooms, so it's an apartment.
Take the elevator upstairs to not 1 but 2 large master suites and this chef's dream kitchen. There's plenty of room to entertain inside and out on this large deck with views all the way up to the Continental Divide.
There's a reason they call this the Great Escape Ranch.
It's just magnificent, takes your breath away.
Just steps from the house, this beautiful 5-stall barn with a newly renovated 3-bedroom apartment above. Add in a separate hay barn and 3 large ponds, and Great Escape offers the perfect low-maintenance ranch in an unbelievable location with incredible access.
One of the great things about this ranch is it's so private and secluded, yet moments away is the bustling downtown center of Willits. With Whole Foods and the restaurants and the spas, this is an unequaled opportunity in the Roaring Fork Valley.
Give us a call. Come experience the Great Escape Ranch, located right in the heart of the Roaring Fork Valley.